Welcome to my voiceover presentation. In the next few minutes, we will explore the association between education and political interest. This research aims to understand how education influences political decisions and the overall level of political interest. Previous studies have shown a positive relationship between education and politics, but questions remain unanswered. This research seeks to address the questions and investigates the impacts of education on political interests. This brings us to our main research question, which is, what is the association between level of education and political trust? This was tested with two associations, which are association between level of education and political interest. Association between level of education and political trust. Today we explore the association between education level and political interest using data collected from the European Social Survey between 2018 and 2019. The study focused on a sample of 1,668 respondents from Spain selected through the representative sampling. The main goal of the study was to examine whether education level is associated with political interest. The null hypothesis has stated that there is no association, while the alternative hypothesis proposed that there is indeed an association between education level and political interest. To test these hypotheses, a chi-squared test was conducted, resulting in a chi-square value of 175.14 with 9 degrees of freedom, and obtained p-value with an extremely small value of 0.000000022. With such a low p-value, we can confidently reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is a significant association between education level and political interest. This means that the education plays a crucial role in shaping individuals' level of political interest. The study findings suggest that policymakers should prioritize investments in educational programs that enhance civic education and political literacy by offering opportunities for individuals to pursue higher education, especially in fields of political science or public affairs. Policymakers can potentially foster a more politically engaged and trusting society. However, it is important to acknowledge the limitations of this study. There may be unaccounted co-founding variables such as socioeconomic status, political ideology, or prior engagements that could influence the relationship between education and political interests. Additionally, the sample used in the study may not fully represent the general population, potentially lacking diversity in demographics or geographic coverage. Further research in this area could involve longitudinal studies to investigate the enduring impact of education on political interest and trust, examining mediating or moderating factors like socioeconomic status or political knowledge could enhance our understanding of the relationship between education and political engagement. Considering these findings, policymakers could consider investing in educational programs that promote civic education and political literacy by providing opportunities for individuals to acquire higher knowledge, particularly in subjects related to political science, or public affairs. We can contribute to fostering a more politically engaged and trusting citizenry. Thank you.